Hello, it's Marek. Welcome to another video. Today I'm at the grand opening of XATRIX at Bradford. So the guys from ML Performance opening their own store here, garage. So there's quite a lot of people, mainly BMWs today, Porsches, couple of different VWs, for example. But yeah, I'm going to head inside now because I spent last hour and a half chatting to people instead of filming, so I've got some catching up to do. So it is the end of the grand opening. I've heard quite a lot about the business and what they're trying to do. So this essentially will be a fitting hub for the ML Performance clients, as well as some engine works, etc. So it's very early days, obviously. So not everything is ready today. But yeah, it might be quite a nice hub for people like me to service cars in the future. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you for watching. Please remember, like and subscribe, and I'll see you shortly in the next one. Thank you, goodbye, do widzenia.